Hi guys, good afternoon. Kamusta ulit kayo? So sa mga clients natin na nagtatanong kung ano nga ba yung mga locations na ino-offer namin. So right now, as a property specialist of Double Dragon and with the Hotel 101 itself, we are offering this project, the Hotel 101 Libis. This is a pre-selling project. Um, Siguro 2 to 3 years from now, mato-turn over to. This is Hotel 101 Libis, located in Bridgetown. So Bridgetown is a development of from other developers. So again, this is a investment type. Meron siyang helipad sa taas. So yun yung mga katabi niyang development is also a luxury development, no? Punta naman tayo sa isa nating mga project. This one is the Hotel 101 Cebu. Already sold out. This is near Mactan Airport and ubos na po siya at marami pa pong nakapila na gusto mag-invest sa Cebu. Since nakita nila na very profitable po talaga and feasible once they invest their money with Hotel 101. Sa mga clients na nagtatanong kung paano sila kikita, the concept of Hotel 101 po kasi is for 25 years you have a guaranteed income. Let the company rent your unit, and once po na mag-invest kayo, it will be hassle-free. Kami na pong bahala maghanap ng tenants nyo, and hindi nyo na rin po kukulitin kaming mga agent or yung manager ng pinagbilang mong property kung mapaparent ba yung unit or hindi. Gaya nga po ng sinabi ko, automatic, we have the passive income and it's a pandemic-proof investment. So, ang isa pa po naming ino-offer, aside from the Hotel 101 Libis, we also have a pre-selling project located in Hotel 101 Davao. So, ito po yung project natin. This is the miniature display of the Hotel 101. And take note, meron din po siyang helipad sa taas. So, Hotel 101 Davao is also near airport, across airport lang. So, ang target nito na tenants is yung mga turista na nagpupunta na come and go in Davao. So, marami na rin pong nag-invest na Filipino locals, OFW, businessman, young professional na nag-invest since nakita nila na very successful itong mga nauna nating project. Just like this one. This is the Hotel 101 The Fort, located in BGC. So napakaganda. At syempre, we also have 2 global projects na ino-offer. Aside from Hotel 101 Davao, we are also offering the Hotel 101 Niseko, Japan, and the Hotel 101 Madrid, Spain. So, if ikaw gusto mong magpunta ng Japan at hindi ma-approve yung visa mo, you can buy a property and tell the immigration that you have a property na in-invest doon and meron kang profit doon every month na nakukuha. So, ito pong sa mga nagtatanong kung sure ba talaga na makukuha natin yung income ng property. Yes, definitely sure po. Since every month, si Hotel 101 can send a report kung how much yung kinita ng ating property. So, yun po. For 25 years, meron tayong joint venture agreement. Wala tayong condo dues. Fully furnished ang unit natin. Once na masira ng tenant yung mga gamit, katulad ng TV, sofa, lahat ng furnitures in the unit, pwede nilang palitan ng libre. Sagot ni Double Dragon. Hindi na po siya magiging sakit ng ulo ng unit owners. Since kaya nga po tayo mag-i-invest kung nasa ibang bansa man tayo, gusto kasi natin ng negosyo rito sa Pilipinas para pagbalik natin is may income din tayo. And at the same time, habang nagtatrabaho tayo sa ibang bansa, meron pa rin po tayong income dito sa Pilipinas. So, umalis man po kayo or wala man kayo rito sa Pilipinas, meron pong mag-handle ng negosyo. Take note, hindi nyo na po sasakit ang ulo sa mga agent na bakit nung hindi napaparent or what, natapos na po yung mga ganong problema. So with Hotel 101, we have the property management of Hotel of Asia. So sila na pong bahala na mag-parent ng unit nyo once again. So maraming salamat po. I hope this video is meaningful, and if may mga gusto pa kayong malaman with Double Dragon, just let me know lang po, and we can set a Zoom meeting, or I can tour you po here sa Double Dragon showroom. Thank you po. Bye.